how to price check any product using Google Lens. So look guys, if you want to know price of any product, how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to download Google Lens app from Play Store. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it. Once you download it, simply click on Lens app. Once you click on Lens app here, you guys can see open camera. In my phone, it says screenshot folder. It's your phone. It will be different folder. If you have that product in the real life, you guys can simply click on open camera and took their product pic. And if you have pic like mine, like I have that pic menu chart, and I want to know the short price, so I simply click on that pic and Google Lens automatically check the short. Here, let's see what was the price. Here we go. Google Lens suggests me the exact same chart, and it shows the price of that. If the president appear here, you guys can simply click on similar mates and it will definitely show the price. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.